Now here we have an example of a multiplication problem. Okay, so let us just try to understand. So you can see a water tank here. Okay, so this is a water tank, and now a water tank supplies, see here how much is this, can we read this? So this is 1 tens 100, so this is 854, isn't it? And then in the thousand place you have only 3, and then in the lakhs place you have 25. So it is 25 lakhs 3,854 liters of water. So this water tank is supplying so many liters of water to Hilltop Society. So there is a Hilltop, you can see here the building. So all the water that comes from the water tank is supplied to the society every day. So in one day, this is about one day. So we have got the value for one day, and they are asking how many liters of water are used by the society in the month of February 2013. So we have to think about this February 2013. So when we think about February 2013, how many days are there in February? It is not a leap year, isn't it? So there are only 28 days. So 28 days are there in February. So when we try to understand this problem, we have got the value for one day. In one day, how much? 25 lakhs 3,854 liters. So they are asking us how many liters will be supplied in how many days? 28 days. So I told you, when one is given and more is asked, we have to multiply. Okay, so let us try to solve this problem now. So I hope you have understood this problem well. Okay, so you can read it once again, and then we go on to the solution of this problem. Okay, so let us understand how much is given here. 25 lakhs 3,854. So what is that value? It is actually the amount of water supplied in one day. Okay, so we write here 25 lakhs 3,854 is the amount of water supplied in liters every day. So the each day, okay, this is for one day, that is equal to this value. Okay, so now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the value for how many days? We have to calculate for 28 days. So total number of days in February is how much? 28. So we have to find out for 28. So when we know for 1, we have to calculate for 28. You all know what we have to do here. We have to multiply. Okay, so we are going to multiply this value with 28. So 25 lakhs 3,854 multiplied with 28. So you all know how to multiply now. So I am not taking it again. We just have to multiply with 8, and then we have to multiply with 20. And then we add. Okay, so when we add, what is the answer that we are getting? We are getting, see here, we are having 912, then 7,000, then 1 lakh and 7 crores. So 7 crores. So what is the answer? 7 crores, 1 lakh, 7,912. Okay, so I hope you have understood this problem.